Boiling water. Sounds like a bubbling cauldron. Yeah, the egg roll cauldron. The egg roldron. Haha. I used to have a teacher named Mrs. Cauldron. She was my preschool teacher at Maplewood Elementary in Connersville, Indiana. But she didn't bubble, even though her last name was Cauldron. Mom walked to the dollar store to get us some pork and beans. She just came back a few minutes ago from the Dollar Tree. She got us some new items. Got the barbecue rib sandwich, the cheeseburger, some white chicken thing, the banquet Salisbury, more of that chow mein, pizza rolls. There's that chow mein. More of that chow mein. Oh, this is beef and broccoli chow mein. And cheeseburger Mac Daddy's back, and he's got some Michelinas. Let's see, anything in here? Oh, also lemon lime, because you can't get regular cola at Dollar Tree, so she got the Faygo lemon lime. They also got Faygo Cola. They should have regular soda. Well, I wouldn't want cola. I like Pepsi. I would totally swim in the Pepsi. But I'm gonna egg roll on out of here. Bye.